thing that you receive with your equipment is a freshwater master testing kit. And if any of you have ever had a pool, this is a very similar type testing kit that you would use to test your water. You're going to use this testing kit to test your water at least once a week, if not more. It's a really fun opportunity for the kids to get to do some science and test the water on a weekly basis. And please make sure that you write down your data and keep track of it. And if you keep that data near the fish tank, if there is a problem, when I show up, I can just review the numbers from the tests, and I can determine what's going on in your tank without having to come into your classroom and bother you. So this freshwater testing kit has chemicals, it's got test tubes, and it's got super simple instructions for you to follow. Read the guide that comes with it because it's really helpful in telling you what ammonia is, what nitrates are, and where they come from, and how to take care of them. Very helpful. The other thing you have is the card reader, so you can tell the test results. And I went ahead and marked mine up so that I know real easily if my water quality numbers are good or bad levels. And I just think that's helpful if you're doing that on a regular basis. Okay. So what you're going to do is simply just use your test tubes, fill them up to the line that's pre-marked on them. You're going to drop the proper chemicals on there. The chemicals actually have the instructions written on the bottles, so it's really easy to follow along. If you ever run out of these supplies, just let me know and I can bring you more.